Hey, good news. It's experiment time. Today we're going to heat some sulfur and see what happens when we rapidly cool it. We use a powder funnel to transfer the sulfur into a big test tube. Then we're going to use this old crusty Meeker burner to melt the sulfur and see what happens. Now that it's nice and molten, we're going to quench it quickly in a water bath. It's very stretchy.
I'ma make you pump like that. Make you pump like that. Make you pump like that. Make you pump like that.
So I've heard about a reaction. I've never really done it before. So I thought I would share that experience of trying it for the first time with you. It's going to involve bromine reacting with aluminum. Here's how we do it. Bromine is a liquid element that is very corrosive and toxic, and it's delivered to me in these little ampules that we'll have to break open. Our aluminum, we're just going to use aluminum foil. And now we're going to add the aluminum, which I've torn into little pieces. So that demo only used 1 milliliter of liquid bromine. I'm going to make a part 2, and this time we're going to use twice as much and see how that changes things. Polymerization? Yes, please. Start by making a 1% solution of sodium alginate. Takes forever. Got to heat it up, got to stir it. There's the chemical formula in parentheses there for all of you that are interested. So here's some of the finished polymer solution. And I've added some red food coloring just so we can see what's actually happening when we do the reaction. To polymerize our sodium alginate, we need calcium ions. In our case, we're going to use calcium chloride. We use calcium chloride because it's extremely soluble in water. I'm going to grab a sample of the polymer using a big syringe. Get rid of any air bubbles. We'll start by adding small drops to the beaker. Now let's just spray the rest in.
We partnered up with Elmer's to do this awesome holiday science experiment where we're gonna make a bunch of slime and deep freeze it in liquid nitrogen and make the first ever slime slingshot. Next step, add the magical liquid. I think that's pretty good. Time for liquid nitrogen. Pretty good handle. I'll have to do something like that. Let's see what happens. First ever slime slingshot. If I hit the Elmer's What If box, you have to like and follow. Oh, yes! Oh my gosh. This is the first ever liquid nitrogen cooled slime slingshot. Make sure to like and follow. Oh my God!
You did. You gon' die. You gon' die.
Oh my God!
You gon' die.
As big as David's house!
What they mean? Yeah.
Oh my God, it overflowed! Oh.
Bro, you're in it now. Thumbnail the way.
That was the world's largest elephant toothpaste experiment ever. That was 1 liter of 35% hydrogen peroxide. This is 625 liters of hydrogen peroxide. Like and follow to watch me and David dump all of those chemicals into this container for the world's largest elephant toothpaste experiment ever.
Go.
And then pour it back.
Pour pasta.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is the Steve Spangler Mentos dropping device in Diet Coke. That was pretty awesome and went super high, but let's go bigger. Pour all this cola into this 5-gallon container. Slow pour, I mean obnoxiously slow pour.
Turtle won the race. Slow.
Almost there! Caleb, almost there!
Yay! So very close.
In the arms of... Like and follow to watch me dump all these Mentos into 5 gallons of Diet Coke in the next video.
Oh my god, it worked! It worked!
Okay, so for today, I'm going to show you a demonstration of Lycopodium. That's this stuff. Check it out. Lycopodium spores are extremely hydrophobic. They just do not mix with water at all. Check out what happens when I stick my hand inside the water. The spores coat my fingers, and my hand comes out dry. And there's one other cool thing you can do with Lycopodium. That was totally worth it.
Doritos are super flammable, but let's go bigger. We're gonna put all of these in the barbecue. Yeah, Sophie.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Like and follow to watch me light up all these Doritos and try to cook a steak in tomorrow's video.
Ready?
Whoa! That is so cool.
See, I told you I wasn't taking the piss.
That is so cool.
If I take this tube of weird blue shit and I put this red stuff inside of it, well then whoa! There you go.
Was that a chemical reaction?
Yep, science is dope.
I guess.
Take this can of flammable shit and combine it with this lighter, I can make shit lit, baby. What the hell? Now, wasn't that swell? I tell you, man, science can be cool as hell. Science is cool. Yeah, science is cool. I said science is cool. Yeah, science is cool. Science is cool. Yeah, science is cool. I said science is cool. Yeah, science is cool. Yeah.
Science is cool, yeah?
That was weird.